Very good morning, dear student. Today I am going to explain you exercise 5.2 question number 16. Question number 16 is determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceed the fifth term by 12. This is the question and we have to find the AP, means what is the arithmetic progression. Okay, the 5.2 and question number 16. Here we have given in this question third term, T3 is equal to 16 and T7 is equal to 12 exceed by fifth term. We have given T13 means third term is 16 and T7 is 12 more than fifth term. Okay, so what is the formula of T3? T3 formula is A plus 2D is equal to 16. This is equation number 1. And T7 formula is A plus 6D is equal to 12 plus T5 is equal to A plus 4D. Okay, so A and A cancel. 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. So 2D is equal to 12, then D equal to 6. D equal to 6, putting the value of D in equation first. So from first, A plus 2 into D means 6 equal to 16. Okay, so A plus 2 6 12 equal to 16, or A equal to 16 minus 12 equal to how much? 4. So A value is 4. Now we have to find the AP. AP means A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on, like this. So A value is 4. So first answer is 4. Then A plus D means 4 plus 6 means 10. Then A plus 2D means 4 plus 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. 12 and 4 16. Then again A means 4 plus 3 into D 6. 6 3 is 18. 18 and 4 22. So this is the AP answer. Got it? Now we move to question number 17. Question number 17 is find the 20th term from the last from the AP 3, 8, 18 up to dash 253. So in this question we have to find the 20th term from the last. This type question is very IMP question. So please concentrate. Okay, now question number 17. In the question is 3, 8, 13 up to dash 253. So this one is A value is 3, L value is 253, B value is 8, then D value, D is equal to B minus A, means 8 minus 3 equal to 5. So A value 3, L value 253 and D value is 5. We have to use the formula is 20th term from the end is equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula of any term from the end. Any term from the end, the formula is this. Okay, nth term. Okay, so we have find 20th term. So n value is 20. So L value is 253 minus n value 20 minus 1, D value is 5. Okay, so 253 minus 20 minus 1, 19 into 5. 253 minus 19 5 is 95. Okay, so answer is 158. So 20th term from the last is 158. This is the answer. Got it? The sum of the fourth and eighth terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first three term of the AP. Okay, now 5.2 question number 18. Question number 18 is first case. First we have given fourth term plus eighth term. The sum of fourth and eighth term is 24 and the second is sixth term plus 10th term is 44. We have to find the AP. So this is A4 means T4, like this, T4 plus T8 equal to 24 and T6 plus T10 equal to 44. So what is the formula of T4? T4 is equal to A plus 3D plus T8 is equal to A plus 7D is equal to 24. T6 formula is A plus 5D plus T10 formula is A plus 9D is equal to 44. Okay. A plus A 2A, 7 plus 3 10D is equal to 24. A plus A 2A, 9 plus 5 14D is equal to 44. Okay. So common, 2 is common. So A plus 5D equal to 12. This is equation number 1. Here is also 2 common. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14 and 2 20 ja 22 ja. This is second equation. From equation first and second, A plus 5D is equal to 12 and A plus 7D equal to 22. Okay. Minus, minus and minus cancel. 5D minus or 7D minus 5D equal to minus 2D and 22 minus 12 is 10. Cancel. So D equal to 5. Okay. Putting the value of D in equation 1 or 2, whatever. So from first A plus 5 into D. D means 5 equal to 12. So A plus 5 5 ja 25 equal to 12. So A equal to 12 minus 25 is equal to minus 13. So we have A value and we have also D value. We have to find the AP. So AP is A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. A value is 13. So put 13 here. A value 13 plus D value 5. A value 13, 2 into D value 5. Okay. So here is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8 and 5 to the 10. 13 minus 10 is 3. So these are the AP. Got it? Okay, now move to question number 19. Question number 19 is Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did he income is 7,000? So this is the last income, means last term. So 7,000 value of L, okay, it started from 5,000, matlab this is the A, the value of A, this is A, and 200 each year increment means this is D, D means common difference. So you have A, D and L. You can easily find the value of N means number of year. So you can use Tn formula or An formula or L formula. So L equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Use this formula, you easily got the answer. Okay. Similarly, question number 20. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week. First week means this is the value of A, okay, of a year, and then increased her weekly saving by rupees this. So this is D because every week adding 1.75 increment. In the nth week, her weekly saving becomes rupees this. So this value is L, means last saving is 20.75. So you find N, again use formula, again you have to use this formula and find the number of week or year. Okay. So on this question, the exercise 5.2 finish. We have to start exercise 5.3. Now we start exercise 5.3. Question number 1. Find the sum of the following APs. There are 4 questions. We take one question from them. So question number 1, exercise 5.3. Okay. Question 1 is 2, 7, 12 up to dead dash 2, 10 terms. Okay. So we have given 2, 7, 12 up to dead dash till 10th term. मीन्स हमको इसको 10th टर्म तक ऐड करना है. ओके. सो a इक्वल टू 2, b इक्वल टू 7, देन d इक्वल टू b माइनस a. सो 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2 is 5, and d n value is 10 because we have to add till 10th term. So n value is 10. Got it? So the formula is Sn, means sum of n term. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is formula. N value is 10. So 10 by 2, 2 into a. A value is 2 plus n value is 10 minus 1 into d value is 5. Okay. 2 5 is 10. So here is 5. Okay. 2 2 is 4 plus 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into 5. So 5, 9 5 is 45, 45 and 4, 49. So answer is 9 5 is 45 and 5 4 is 20 and 4, 24. 245 is answer. Okay. Similarly, you can solve all this question. Now the question number 2 is find the sum given below. Here is also we have to find the sum of these series or this AP. Question number 2. The question is 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 up to dead dash 84. The difference between the two questions is here is we have given the number of terms, means 10 terms. But here is no the value of n, means we have not given how many terms in this series, but we have given last term. Okay. So a equal to 7, b equal to 20 21 by 2. So d equal to b minus a, means 21 by 2 minus 7. So the answer is 7 by 2. So d value is 7 by 2. A value is 7 and L value is 84. First we have to find what is the value of n, means in this series how many terms are there. So first we use formula L equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So L value is 84. 84 equal to a value is 7 plus n minus 1, d value is 7 by 2. Okay. So 84 side change of 7 equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7, how much? 77 equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So 2 cross into in 77 and 7 is divided by 77. So 77 into 2 by 7 equal to n minus 1. So 11 7 is 77, 11 2 is 22. So 22 equal to n minus 1, side change of 1. So n equal to 23. So in this series there are 23 terms, but we have to find the sum of the all the number. So again use the formula Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus L. This is the another formula of sum of n term. So n means n value is 23, 23 by 2, a value is 7 and L value is 84. Got it? So 23 by 2 into 7 plus 84 means 91. Okay. So multiply this two things. So 2093 by 2, or we can say 1046 1 by 2. This is the answer. This is the sum of all the terms. Okay, got it?